1 lakh. Yes.
So I beg to mention item 37. I have some personal difficulties to this. Can it be taken up next week? Any day?
Can
Day when?
Can be.
Well, I've informed my other side.
Wait for adjournment. List the matter on
Any day.
2nd June. CD to be retained till 2nd June. Fine. ठीक है 37 no
37. There is an interim order.
interim order shall remain in force till then.
I please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, back to mention item number 45, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, in this matter, inadvertently, the mention was made for the withdrawal of the petition, Your Lordship, but the petitioner is interested to continue with the petition, Your Lordship. So he may be allowed to continue with the bail application.
Learned counsel Mr. I.S.
Yes, Lordship.
has submitted that the petitioner is not willing to withdraw the petition. So do we have anything?
Your Lordship.
No, well,
List the matter on 6
Your
June.
Lordship, can it be fixed on 2nd June, Your Lordship?
कोणतो आयटम आयटम नंबर 45 तो विड्रॉयल करणे असेल
Can be fixed. 2nd June.
I do, Lordship.
विड्रॉयल करणे असेल
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, beg to mention item number 18, Lordship. Lordship, the engaging counsel has some personal difficulty today. Your Lordship may kindly adjourn to this. Just for a week, Lordship.
Learned counsel Mr.
S.J. Sarkia.
Your name is S.J. Sukia.
Yes, Your Lordship.
S.J. Sukia has paid for adjournment. List the matter on
Highly aware.
May I please, Your Worship? I beg to mention for listing of a bail application, Lordship, on 28
court number 3. You have to mention before court number 3.
of like.
May I please, Lordship? I beg to mention item number 38. Seating may not be available, perhaps. 38.
Do you have the CD?
CD not received.
CD has called for is not received. Issue reminder. List the matter on
Interim.
interim order shall remain in force till then.
Oblige. May I please, Lordship? Lordship, item number 13 to the list, Lordship. Kindly adjourn for today, Lordship.
Learned counsel
Are wrong,
May-
my Lordship.
Huh?
Are wrong, my.
R. Wrongmai. On behalf of your name is not here.
I give to the stone.
On behalf.
13, 1 3.
Okay.
My name is dear Lordship. Can we fix on 12th of June? Lord?
Learned counsel Miss R. Wrongmai has prayed for adjournment. List the matter on. Have you taken the consent from the other side?
Yes, Lordship.
You have taken, no?
Yes.
With the consent of the other side has prayed for adjournment. List the matter on 12 June.
12th June. What's okay?
Lordship, I'd like to mention for listing of bill application.
Court number 3.
Court number.
Wait, please, your lordship. The accused person is in custody since 1 year, 2 months and 13 days.
We'll have to call for a trial court record.
Lordship,
Call for the scan copies of the trial court records along with the scan copies of the CD. List the matter on when do you want?
Lordship, short date may be given because
4th of June?
4th of June is long date, your Honor.
How long? 2nd June.
Any of them. Obvious.
Wait, please, just a loss of match. 483 bail application, my lord. The accused person is more than 1 year in behind the jail.
NDPS.
No,
Postcomon.
postcomon.
Moscow will have to issue notice to the respondent.
My lord.
Learned counsel, Mr.
HP Gwala, my lord.
HP Gwala is present for the petitioner. Learned additional PP, Mr. P. Bhattakur is present for the respondent state. Petitioner to take steps to issue notice to the respondent number 2. Returnable on 6 June. Meanwhile, call for the scan
TCR.
copies of the trial court record along with the scan copies of the CD.
Oblige.
Item 3.
It will be circuit plan, isn't it?
Well, LCM will call them.
Call for the scan copies of the trial court record. Moscow, no?
NDPS, madam.
Call for the scan copies of the trial court records along with the scan copies of the CD. List the matter of.
I'm okay.
Item 4.
NDPS commercial on the ground of notice lock, notice and arrest now.
We'll call for the scan copies.
Yes.
Call for the scan copies of the trial court record along with the scan copies of the CD. List the matter on. 5th June.
Four. Much obligation.
Scan copies may be called.
Okay. Okay. Date 5th.
Item 6. May it please your lordship. NDPS, my lord, page 21, your lordship, can you?
Why?
I will call two issues, my lord.
Why?
So that my lord can call, ask them to obtain
Commercial
instructions.
quantities.
Your lordship will ask them to obtain instructions on 2 points, my lord. One, though we have already given that grounds of arrest were not there, that is, they are already certified copy. Next issue is, my lord, I have been accused of possessing tapentadol tablets, my lord. Tapentadol is not an NDPS substance, my lord. In fact, this month, my lord, on 2nd of May, Ministry of Health Affairs has said that we are contemplating bringing tapentadol under the NDPS Act. So as of today, tapentadol is, so that instruction may also be.
That contemplation is going on for hemp also.
My lord, yes. But
So-
as of now, it is not in drugs offense. So I cannot be arrested for tapentadol, my lord, possession of tapentadol. Unless and until it is there in the NDPS Act.
So what do you want a report?
At this report, my lord, on that,
Instruction.
CD may be called for along with that.
along with that
Scan copies
instruction.
of the child court records
No,
along
no,
with the scan
no,
copies.
CD,
of
my
the
lord.
CD, my lord, investigation is ongoing.
Oh, CD, oh, really? Call for the CD and also the learner additional PP may obtain instructions relating to
Whether tapentadol falls under.
obtain instructions whether tapentino,
Tap-
whatever
tapent-
spelling
Whether
falls under the
scheme of the NDPS Act, my lord.
ban
Substance, contraband. my lord.
contraband substance.
No.
Under the NDPS Act 1985. It will liquidate.
No, short day.
Learned
Legal-
counsel,
let-
Mr.
yeah,
S.
yeah.
Naz is present for learned HMP.
Fourth, my lord.
Mr. P. Bhattacharya is present for the respondent state. Yes.
Fourth June, my lord. Deeply obliged.
My lords, in another matter, LCI was called for. So if that could be brought, it's BA.
Cannot, why, how can I bring from another court?
Right,
Ridiculous.
that is disposed of matter. It is with the registry. It's just because that main accused has been given bail. Just for the expedience, my lords.
Okay, learned counsel. Now, order no more. Learned counsel, Mr. D.K. Agarwala has submitted that the scan copies of the trial court record is in this court.
In court, it was in the court number 3. The item has been disposed of.
Well, he will have to mention the number of the item.
I
We'll
am-
have to.
I am BA.
You will have to approach the registry. We'll call it. Learned counsel, Mr. D.K. Agarwala is present for the petitioner. Learned additional PP, Mr. P. Bhattacharya is present for the respondent state. Call for the scan copies of the trial court record and the scan copies of the CD. You approach the registry. Why do you want a court's order?
It's short.
Is the matter
30th
on
May, my
second
lords.
June, huh?
30th May. 30th May.
30 May pari niki?
30th May.
No, not possible. 2nd June.
Much obliged.
Backlist.
Mm.
I'm saying fix for the instruction lordship, please. NDPS case lordship.
Mm.
And I'm not in the FIR name lordship. Notice has been given to me, sharp upon me, so that I'm before this honorable court lordship.
I cannot hear you. Cannot hear you.
And Lordship, we are filing-
Instruction for fix for instruction lordship in this.
Okay,
We are
instruction.
filing objection today, Lordship. This is anticipatory bail, Lordship. Investigation is going on.
Investigation.
He is suspected receiver of the contraband matter.
What is the contraband quantity?
Quantity is commercial, about commercial, but lordship, I am not in the FIR name lordship. Main accused already arrested. So kindly see the FIR lordship.
We'll call for the CD. We'll call for the CD.
In the meantime, lordship, the next date will be the 15th of June, lordship. I have to appear before this NCB lordship. So I may be protected, lordship.
No.
In the meantime,
Lordship, he is
CD may be
suspected
called for.
receiver of the-
If any material found, lordship, it rejected.
We'll need the
back
CD.
petition.
Call for the CD. List the matter on. 3rd June.
Highly obliged.
Lordship, I may be protected, lordship. Is it?
No. This is ridiculous. NDPS Act, commercial quantity. Maybe you are not
But lordship,
mentioned.
I am not in the FIR.
Yeah, yes, you are innocent, but not now.
Highly obliged.
May it please your lordship, Miller. My lord, anticipated bail application, my lord. Lordship has earlier rejected this bail application while granting to others, my lord. The FIR, my lord, at page 14. There was altercation between the parties and led to some marpid halla. And then, my lord, this FIR was lost. Page 14, my lord.
1-4.
1-4, my lord. The wife of the victim has lost this FIR, my lord. Second para is the Rana Sutia.
Please read, please read.
I read, madam. I say so and so, wife of so and so, which lost this first information report on the attention, a serious incident occurred on 25/2/2024 between the hours 11 p.m. and 12 p.m. On the aforesaid date, Rana Sutia visited our establishment. He has been already granted anticipated bail, my lord. JB restaurant bar situated in section Tiniali Porter in search of liquor. Upon being informed by my husband, Latu Moni Raskua, that liquor service ceases after 10 p.m. Rana Sutia resorted to using abusive language and obscene towards him. Subsequently, approximately 12:10, accompanied by 5 or 6 associates, including Krishna Kanta Gagaye. He is now Rosip Krishna Kanta Gagaye has approached, my lord. Harsha Hazarika, Rana Sutia returned to our premises in MG Hector car. armed
No,
with-
no interim bail, no. On his head, they have.
Yes, my lord. My lord,
fractured.
what-
We will bring the issue.
What I submit, my lord, that investigation is over here. Charge has been laid.
Okay.
My apprehension is that, my lord, I have been shown absconder in the, my lord, search sheet. Now, lordship, kindly one order, page 15, that Rana Sutia has been granted. This is the main accused, my lord, by the session judge. This final order
Charge
is,
sheet will laid under which sections?
my lord, 307 is added, my lord.
Then.
That's
Then
correct,
we
my
call
lord.
for the scan copies of the trial. court
Or, my lord,
records.
can it be like this, my lord? I will appear before the honorable court below, my lord, and my lord may observe
Yes.
for certain
Yes.
consideration, since all accused have been
The
granted. bail.
considerations I won't observe, you
On me.
appear.
Appear and file application, my lord, will consider as per. Because, lordship, while granting earlier interim order, page 19, my lord, here in this petitioner also, page 19. Dipras, Vicky, and Krishna Kanta, lordship has, on the condition, page 21, directed them to appear, and he appeared also before the police, my lord. And finally, lordship, final order is at page 23, relevant portion, page 25. Kindly see, my lord. Second line, indeed, there are incriminating material against the petitioner, all the petitioner. However, my lord, lordship has granted bail Dipras Sutia and the petitioner Vicky Gogoi hereby made absolute. However, pair of footage CRPC Krishna Kanta Gogoi is rejected at this stage, my lord.
Why it was rejected? After going to the CD.
And yes, my lord. And therefore, my lord, on that consideration, my lord,
You will appear.
my lord,
Learned counsel, Mr.
BK Das, my lord.
BK Das, item number 9, no?
Yes.
He is present for the petitioner Krishna Kanta Gogoi, who has filed his application under section 482 of the BNWS 2023 with prayer for pre-arrest bail, as is apprehending arrest in connection with so and so PS, it is under 7. Do you have the PRC case number?
Yes, my lord.
PRC case. number
PRC
so-
case number, my lord, yes.
Using out of so and so PS case under so and so section
178, my lord, page 11, my lord.
178,
of
25,
of 2025, pending in the court of Lanet SDGMS Dibrugarh,
comma, pending in the court of the learned SGJM S.
corresponding to Malad Duliajan PS station,
Dibrugarh.
police station
Okay, okay,
case
it's
number,
okay. He'll
corresponding.
He'll find out. Art Mr. P. Bothakur learned additional PP Assam. It is submitted on behalf of the petitioner that charge sheet has been laid against the petitioner showing him as accused. Under section, how many, what were the sections?
Malad 457, 326, 294, 34 IPC, added section 307, Malad.
Charge sheet has been laid
Page
against the petitioner showing him
37.
as absconder under sections, এইকেইটা লিখি দিব. Showing him as absconder, accused বুলি কৈছিলো না? Yes, sir.
Page 40, Malad, kindly see.
It is submitted that the petitioner is willing to cooperate with the trial, but he is hesitant to approach the jurisdictional court. As
Shown as absent.
he has been shown as absconder, full stop. I have considered the submissions that the petitioner is willing to cooperate with the trial. Thereby, the petition is directed to appear before the learned jurisdictional court stroke Elega magistrate within 15 days
Malad.
and apply for bail, which may be considered by the court in accordance with law. Oh,
And upon my lord filing, my lord, consideration as per law, my lord, kindly.
I have written already.
Obliged, deeply obliged.
My lord, here the complaint's daughter committed suicide, and after 47 days of that incident, my lord, her mother.
AB, no?
AB, my
Suicide respondent state. Petitioner to take steps to issue notice to the
respondent.
respondent number 2 returnable on. Meanwhile, call for the CD.
Text zone was okay.
दिगदार होगा.
Anyway. Earlier was.
Mm.
POCSO is there, my lord, but your
We'll have to
lordship
issue
is.
notice.
No, my lord, only question was normally, but kindly have a look to my FIR, my.
That's all.
Okay. Can it be taken up at 2, my lord? I have to go to the CBI.
Two.
At 2.
Yes, can. Highly obliged.
Worship, it may be taken after some time.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, this is a search-cited case. POCSO is there, section 8 is there. And I have
Investigation is going on.
Business is going on, madam. Case diary was called for.
Do you have the case diary?
No, my lord, CD not received, man.
We'll need the CD to.
For that may be given.
CD has called for is not received. We should reminder, release the matter on 4th June.
My lord, matter may be
Okay.
for time being.
Time being.
Scan copy not received. LCR not
Scan
received.
copies are not received. What we'll do after time being? We'll fix it on for another date.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Scan copies of the child court record as called for is not received. We should reminder, release the matter on 5th of June. Item 21 and 22.
21, 22, my lord, it's unregulated.
Oh,
The
that's case.
scheme. So here, my lord, so far 21 is concerned, my lord, I am appearing. So my lord,
We have
CBI.
been informed that CD has arrived, madam. Well, can it be taken next week? On 28.
CD, yes.
28.
Learner Senior Advocate Counsel, Mr. H.R. Chaudhary is present. Learner additional DP, Mr. MP Goswami submitted that he has
see the city.
received instructions that the CD has been forwarded. List the matter on 28 May,
28-5.
28 5 years.
I'm on that.
So far as
Same.
22 is concerned,
Mm.
is an AB lordship. Till next date, no course action will be taken. Well, name is not in the fire, neither in the.
What is your name?
After.
Edu 22 Clinical Learner Counsel, Mr. FZ Muzumdar. 21 or the Senior Counsel.
May I please your lordship? My lord, this is a regular bail application, my lord. The accused petitioner was arrested on 7/4/2025 and till today, my lord, 46 days in custody, my lord. Here, my lord, the main grounds of my bail application is that there is a violation while compliance in the section 50 of the NDPS Act, my lord.
We CD not received today, madam.
My lord, the second day, my lord, my wife is suffering from cancer. I have also annexed the document, my lord. On the last occasion, lordship has
You
stated,
are in bars for how many days?
my lord, 46 days, my lord.
46 days.
What is the
My lord, the
contraband?
ganja, my lord. It is alleged in 7 kgs of ganja has been
How many cases?
7.
Till 7 days.
My lord, here, my lord, in section 50 of,
One last opportunity. And next date, if the CD is not forwarded, then I'll grant you pay.
My lord,
CD has called for,
on
yes.
29, my lord.
29. Serious call for is not received, issue reminder, list the matter on 29. Issue reminder to positively forward the CD. Item 24.
Highly obliged.
May I please, your lordship? It's a regular bail application. Lordship, suspect type contraband of heroin was recovered, 104 gram. As of today, it's
You have the
31
CD?
days.
CD received, my lord. Today is only 31 days, my lord. FSL not yet received. So, my lord, I need some time to, some more time, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, initially police arrested one Nosad Ali and Mohidul Islam. And thereafter, on the basis of their statement, the present petitioner was arrested. And from the present petitioner, 104 gram
was-
heroin recovered, my lord. Today is only 31 days, my lord. And
So far, investigation is
investigation is going on because, my lord, there are many other persons are, the police investigation is going on, my lord. Some other persons yet to be arrested. So otherwise, my lord, FSL also not yet received. So, my lord,
31 days, lordship, already
Only
see the
31
lady,
days,
lordship,
no?
31 days behind the bar.
maybe, but
And-
he is the main, she is the main accused person. my
Other
lord.
Where's the FIR? Let me see the FIR.
Lordship on page 10, lordship. Lordship may refer to the type copy, lordship. No, lordship on page 10 itself, no type copy.
Okay, I'll read it. I'll read it. Serious allegation.
Yes, well, otherwise in this case, all
Lordship, my state-
procedures were followed by the police, my lord. And she
And-
is the dealer, my lord, main supplier, my lord. Initially, my lord,
Lordship,
after,
I'll reject it.
Okay.
I'll reject. it.
Lordship, up to date case diary may be called for, lordship.
no, up to date.
Up
case,
to date,
otherwise-
or it may be awaited for FSL.
CD is received, without the FSL report, send back the CD. Call for the up-to-date CD along with the FSL report, list the matter on
On my lord, 19th of June, my lord.
Lordship,
19th of.
can it be on
June, my lord.
10th, lordship? Otherwise, it will be too late.
10th, my
lordship.
lord, not possible, my lord. On 12th of June, my lord, 12/6.
9 or 10, lordship. Otherwise, it will be length of detention.
This CD will come from
Boko.
Soigaon.
Boko, I will have to return the
Here-
case
here
diary
very
and I will have to again get back it.
It is possible, I think.
On 9,
Today itself you return the case diary.
Uh,
I think it's possible.
on 9th of.
9th, yes.
Obliged,
Item number 46 is connected with the present case, lordship. Here, lordship, from the present petitioner, lordship, it is alleged that along with him, one another accused was arrested. And
Same model will.
no, probably
Yes,
lordship may kindly see in the first page, lordship, 24 gram along with plastic pouches from two persons, lordship. They are not the main accused, lordship. Lordship may kindly see page 10.
I have seen, I have read the FIR.
Yes, 24 gram along with pouches from two persons, lordship. And that is a commercial quantity is 250 grams.
He is not those two. That
No,
person.
No,
The
all
other
are
person is the
associated, my lord.
main
Investigation is
supplier.
going
That
on.
is the main supplier that your lordship will find page 11. She is different, lordship.
Well, maybe.
Allegation is that we have purchased from her, lordship.
No, it
And
is-
probably the quantity which appears to me, lordship, they are the consumers, lordship, not the other peddlers, Lordship. That small quantity probably because with pouches, 2%, Lordship.
So why should they consume?
That is, I am not justifying, Lordship, but your Lordship may kindly see that quantity and detention period.
Well, I will get
For-
the updated case diary, my lord, because investigation is still going on. Some other persons, my lord, accused peddlers are yet to be arrested, my lord. Maybe some.
That is, I'm
Cricket
not
is
disputing,
involved, my
Lordship,
lord.
but whether they are further,
I can report it.
Lordship.
I can prepone it, then we will not send a CD back then. But we want the investigation to continue. That is the reason.
Lordship.
Yes, sir.
That I am not paying for.
On 9th.
Yes, my lord. On 9 June, my lord, it
Prior
will be
to that,
convenient, my
Lordship,
lord.
because only my only
Well,
prayer
I-
is that, Lordship, that quantity is less,
Well,
Lordship.
otherwise they are
That
involved
only
in,
the
my lord,
24 gram with
case of heroin, my
plastic
lord.
pouches, Lordship. It is not that, Lordship, huge quantity, Lordship.
24
And
gram
with-
is small quantity.
Intermediate quantity,
No,
commercial is
no.
250. 250 is commercial, Lordship.
No, 9th. 9th of Kosulu, no?
No, yes, my lord. 9th of June, my lord.
I'm inclined to reject, in fact.
Sorry.
9th.
Oblige.
May I please, Lord? Okay, scan copy was called for, but that is not received, Lordship.
Can
In
go-
this, Lordship, in this case, 127 days behind the bar, Lordship, and prime request already released on bail, and such sheeted case trial is going on.
But what is it?
Lordship,
The which sections?
Lordship 22C, Lordship, commercial quantity.
Scan copy has called for is not received. Issue reminder, list the matter on.
Lordship, within month, Lordship, 127 days, Lordship, trial is going on, prime request already released on bail, Lordship.
Will try. See, 2nd June. 2nd June. As good as May. 26. Lucky 20.
Scan copy not yet received in both the cases, my lord.
26, 27, no?
26.
Liquidity. Scan copy just called for is not received. Issue reminder, list the matter on. Date. 4 June. Do it?
No, up to 29, my lord, scan copy now.
Up to 29. Hey, good again, Liquidia. Scan copies. Interim orders order. What interim order? 26 to was any 26 at 27 side of that go 27 26 or likha sir interim order shall remain in force till then লম্বা ডেট দি দিব পাৰি দেখোন 16 June কৰি দিয়া 26 27 interim order shall remain in force till then 18 June কৰি দিয়া 27 28 এইটো স্কেন কপিজ আছিল নেকি আগৰ কেইটা এইটোতো কেছ ডায়েৰী হয় 26 27 স্কেন কপিজ হয় নে কেছ ডায়েৰী কেছ ডায়েৰী লিখি দিয়ে 26 27 কেছ ডায়েৰী
Oh, 27 to
এইটো কেছ ডায়েৰী as call for is not received issue reminder এইটো হ'ল 28 List the matter on
27 to কেতিয়া দিলে?
interim order shall remain in force till then 29 itu case diary case diary as called for is not received
Yes.
issue reminder list the matter on 19 June interim order shall remain in force till then item 13
May I please, Your Lordship?
yes
Here, Lordship, I was in interim, my statement recorded, there is nothing left in this
In
case.
this case, my lord, case diary not received.
CD as called for is not received issue reminder list the matter on interim 9 June
Interim continue.
interim order shall remain in force till then
Oblige.
May I please? Lordship, kindly adjourn for the day.
I think we don't have the CD Do you have the CD or scan copies? CD receipt.
Yes, ma'am, but
He is asking for adjournment. You're representing your senior.
yes.
1 week only, huh?
Okay.
Adjournment for 1 week only. Learned Counsel, Mr.
A. Sarkar.
A.H. Sarkar is present and has prayed for adjournment. CD is received.
Interim name.
List the matter on.
না,
দেখুন না,
interim
1 week এ
আছে,
দিব লাগিব।
8 তারিখ।
CD to be retained till 3rd June.
Applies.
Yeah, also lots of 482 application, he's on interim.
That
Case there
is
was
for this
also.
case.
No, 490 day, that is the 85 BNS.
My lord, in this case, search sheet submitted, my lord.
That's his summit.
Search sheet.
You are on interim, no?
I'm on interim, that may made absolute no.
Learned Counsel, Mr. D. Talukdar is present for the one petitioner.
One petition, husband, wife case.
Is present for the petitioner. Learned additional PP, Mr. P. Bothagur has submitted that charge sheet has been laid against the petitioner being CS number
23/25, dated 25/4/25.
the petitioner is directed to appear before the jurisdictional court within 20 days and apply for bail, which may be considered by the court in accordance with law.
Till then, this is.
Till then, no coercive action to be taken.
The interim bail will continue till then.
No, it's better that way.
Lords.
33.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, after the grant of interim, petitioner has appeared before the investigating
You have
officer.
the CD?
Yes, CD is there, my lord.
You know, in this case,
You have any objection?
Appeared statement recorded. my
It's
lord.
okay, it's okay. It's okay. It order dated 24/3/2025. এইটো ফাৰ্ষ্ট পেৰাগ্ৰাফটো লিখিবা আৰু তাত এডিশ্যনেল পিপি এখেতৰ নাম লিখি দিবা পি বঠাকুৰ তাৰপিছত আকৌ ছেকেণ্ড পেৰাগ্ৰাফটো লিখিবা থাৰ্ড পেৰাগ্ৰাফ
Otherwise, materials is there against the present accused, my lord, by projecting someone other, my lord. The house was allotted in the name of someone Dilwar, my lord.
থাৰ্ড পেৰাগ্ৰাফটো
Yes.
লাষ্টৰ ছেকেণ্ড
Oh,
পেজটো
okay.
লৈ যাবগে নালাগে থাৰ্ড পেৰাগ্ৰাফটো ফাৰ্ষ্টৰ ছেকেণ্ড পেজলৈ কণ্টিনিউ হৈছে ন তালৈ যাব নালাগে অকল এই ফ্ৰণ্ট পেজলৈকে লিখিলেও যাব মই ঠিক এটা দি থৈছোঁ পেঞ্চিল দি তালৈকে লিখিলৈ I have considered the submissions at the bar with circumspection. Learned additional PP has submitted that they are incriminating materials in the case diary. But the petitioner has appeared before the IO and has cooperated with the investigation. Full stop. I have considered I have considered the submission that the petitioner has appeared before the IO and has cooperated with the investigation. It appears that custodial interrogation may not be required. Full stop. The petitioner has not violated bail conditions. Considering all aspects, the interim order is hereby made absolute. Interim order dated 24/3/2025 is hereby made absolute under the condition that the petitioner shall appear before the IO on every fortnight till completion of investigation. Number 2, the petitioner shall not tamper with the evidence or try to influence the witnesses, and the petitioner shall not leave the jurisdiction of the court without prior permission. And the petitioner shall refrain from such activities with which the petitioner is alleged on breach of any of the bail conditions. The bail order shall automatically stand cancelled and with the CD.
Obliged, my lord.
Item 34.
So this is 482 application.
It is,
lordship.
sir.
In this case, lordship, the petitioner is a, and petitioner, number one, father and son, lordship.
Square.
POXO, actually, lordship, I am coming to that, lordship, that it is not fall under POXO, that because lordship, the IO is registered this case wrongly. And that because without determining the age of the victim, lordship, and kindly come to page number 17, lordship.
I am not the engaged counsel, lordship.
If the learned counsel who is engaged,
No, I,
based on
till
legs.
two, I will not have any matter. I will have some important dictations. at 2.
Okay,
Not-
after some,
After some time, Lordship.
otherwise matter.
This is
After some
coming.
time then, but not at 2. I will not rise at 2 again.
After some time, yes.
May I please, your lordship?
39, my lord, case diary not received, my lord. Petitioner is in interim, my lord.
Serious call for is not received. We should reminder leave
That's
that
received.
later on.
Sorry, my lord, CD received, my lord.
I'm on interim, Lord.
Every 9:30, 2025, 9:30. Sangsari PS case number 31 of 2025.
CD received, my lord, CD received. Sorry, my lord, CD received, my lord.
Okay.
Any other date, my lord, probably learned APP, my lord, Midhu Pawan Goswami, MP Goswami has gone through the case diary.
Interim mode আছে?
Yes, sir. We have recorded statement.
CD is received. Learned the
Email, Lord.
list the matter on 3rd June. 3rd June to এক সপ্তাহ হবো না?
Lordship, can it be on 6, not on 3rd, Lord?
No, we cannot keep for more than 1 week.
That week itself, Lordship.
Should not keep actually. Can keep but should not keep.
Till
List
then,
the
interim may be extended.
interim order shall remain in force till then. CD to be retained till 3rd June.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, I'm not a named accused in the FIR, lordship. Other accused, they have been granted bail, your lordship.
CD not received, Lordship.
Lordship, otherwise, all of the accused have been granted bail by the learned district court Johar.
We'll need the CD. You are on interim bail.
Yes, lordship, I'm.
CD as corporate is not received. We should reminder list the matter on. Interim order shall remain in post till then.
9, lordship, all like.
With the visit the city, kindly fixed it on Monday, Lordship.
On Monday. Learned additional PP Miss Endas has submitted that submitted for time to go through the CD which she has received today. List the matter on Monday, DJ. Wednesday?
No, we are
It's
not.
okay, you are not behind bars. Nobody will arrest you till Wednesday, don't worry. CD to be retained till 28.
May I
Yes.
please, your lordship?
Your Lordship, I am on behalf of the complainant.
Uh,
I am on behalf of the informed.
Yes, yes.
If copy may be given, then I have to file objection.
POSCO case,
No, not POXO.
okay,
Attempt to murder.
attempt to murder.
Yeah. Earlier, the AB was rejected.
But copy won't be given, I think.
My lord, may I submit before?
You will
I-
have to apply for copy, I think.
Okay.
Because here informant is not, has not been made a party.
Yeah, but we have filed an affidavit, wakalatnama, if that can be given. It's
I
fine.
don't think so. You'll have to apply for copy.
Then date may be given, we file affidavit in objection.
Whether it is required or not, I'll try to participate, my lord. Please bear with me for next 2 minutes time, my lord. This is what is
2 minutes is too much.
Mm.
1 minute.
1 minute time, my lord.
Yes, yes.
My lord has gone through the city 2 times, my lord.
Okay.
The-
She has a CD with her.
Yes. Injuries is simple.
I'll.
So once injuries is simple, my lord. 1118.
Injury, simple injury.
May I submit it?
I'll demonstrate from the records, my lord. I'll demonstrate from the past,
He has submitted his wakalat nama.
my lord, whether
Let
it
him
is,
file his objection.
my lord,
You are
my
not
lord,
behind
definitely,
bars, no? You are
I'll
not
not,
behind bars.
my lord,
I'll give
that-
very short date.
my lord, on
Short.
that, in that case, my lord, on the last occasion, my lord was about to release me, my lord. But what has happened, my lord,
I
just,
don't remember.
my lord, I'm not saying, only 1 minute time, my lord,
How
only.
remember?
My lord,
He tells me I was.
My lord, can ignore my that suggestion, my lord, only 1 minute time, my lord. The precious times of the honorable court, my lord, only 1 minute time, my lord. My lord has gone to the city twice, my lord. And on the both occasion, my lord has come to the conclusion that injuries are simple, my lord.
Yet your
On
Lordship-
that background, my lord, I'm seeking, if my lord wanted to submit an objection, my lord, absolutely he is free to do that. My lord, the privilege of that protection has to be given to me.
See, I have rejected twice. Why can I?
Not twice, my lord, once, my lord, and then while co-accused perusing the CD, my lord has come to the conclusion that injuries are simple, which has been supported by my learned counsel, my lord. So in that background, my lord,
When you'll be able to give the objection?
Any short date, by Monday, Tuesday, anytime, any day.
Short date, within short period, because earlier I think you were not granted interim.
earlier, my lord, on the last occasion, my lord, about to release,
They were-
and I am not third
Your lord-
petitioner number 2, not in the FIR, my lord.
Your
My lord can peruse only one line, my lord. My lord own submissions, my lord.
Tuesday, my docket is full, but
Yeah.
I'll give him Tuesday,
I am deeply obliged, my lord.
Tuesday.
I am deeply obliged.
Learned counsel, Mr. A.S. Tabata is present. For the petitioner, learned counsel, Mr. D.K. Agarwal is present for the informant and has submitted for time to file an objection. CD is received. Ms. N. Das, learned additional PP Assam is present for the respondent state. Is present liquidity. Good stuff. CD to be retained here. 27, no, an objection to be filed on 27. List accordingly.
Much obliged.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, this criminal writ petition is filed, lordship, against a lordship, the complaint case, lordship, pending before the learned lordship, Metropolitan Magistrate Court, Kolkata.
The notice to respondent number 2 has been served.
Notice to respondent number 3 already served, lordship, as per office note, lordship. So main allegation is against.
25 service report respondent number 2 has not been, moreover, service report in respect of respondent number 2 has not been till date, however, letter dated has been received from the assistant registrar, Mumbai High Court, as regards forwarding the notices to Registrar Court of Small Case Causes, Mumbai, in respect of respondent number 1 and 3 only. So what about respondent number 2?
Lordship, as per office note, lordship 23/5/2025, AD in respect of respondent number 3 has been received and the
1
same.
and 3, yes, it has been served
Yes, lordship.
through the Court of Small Causes,
Small
Mumbai.
causes, lordship. So my,
So respondent number 2 notice has to be served.
because lordship, either lordship, we may wait for some time, lordship, for service of
Okay,
notice, lordship.
service report of,
But lordship, may I trail one thing, lordship, because the facts of the case is that, lordship.
no, see.
Lordship, interim for
You were
interim.
not granted interim on 2 dates. Don't press, when you are not granted interim on 2 dates, Justice Mitali Thakuria was here.
Lordship, because notice was already served, because earlier lordship notice was not served.
No, this is not fair.
Then a date
You
may
try
kindly.
different courts in different manner, this is not fair.
No, my lord, because on last occasion, lordship,
No.
notice was not served upon the respondent, lordship.
Service report, respondent number 2 is awaited, list the matter on. 5th June is okay?
Obliged.
May it please, your lordship. Other than this, my lord, I'm challenging the judgment dated judgment. It's an ex parte proceeding, 125 proceeding, my lord, whereby I have been directed to pay a maintenance of 4,000 to the wife and 3,000 to the children, and that too from the date of filing of the complaint, my lord. Now, my lord, what happened, my lord, after receiving the notice, the petitioner, my lord, he's a resident of Borpeta, my lord, and this is a case of Gopur, my lord. He engaged the counsel, he has given his wakalatnama and signed the written statement for filing a written statement. The counsel did not sign it, my lord. Now, the petitioner and the respondent, my lord, they are separated since 2019. 2019, the respondent entered into a wedlock with other person, and there was an FIR filed, and thereafter an agreement was signed between the petitioner and the respondent, my lord, that she has got married and she has no demand against the petitioner, my lord. Your lordship will kindly see the agreement, my lord, page 25. Is the vernacular,
You
my
have
lord?
placed this agreement in the earlier case.
My lord, the written statement was not even filed by the counsel by the who was engaged, and therefore the matter proceeded ex parte. And in the agreement, my lord, she has accepted that she got married and she uploaded certain pictures, the marriage pictures in the Facebook. That pictures also I have annexed here, my lord, at page 23. My lord, kindly see.
Okay.
Page 23. But I have a very limited preamble because I did not get an opportunity to
Yes.
contest, my lord. So your lordship remanded back, allowing me to contest the proceeding
Yes.
with a time frame, my lord. That's fair enough, my lord. I'll get an
Yes.
opportunity. In paragraph 7, my lord, they made a categorical statement, my lord.
Where is the final order?
My lord, the final order, my lord, will find page 14.
Page 40.
Page 14. It was an ex parte, and page 21, my lord, will find the direction, well, the operative portion.
Page 14, no?
Page 14, the judgment starts from page 14, and page 21 is the operative portion.
So you are willing to pay only for the children.
Well, at this stage, your lordship will say, I'll pay for these children and I'll contest the proceeding. Because wife, my lord, apparently, my lord, since 2019, she got married, she is with some other. And now they have filed an execution for this order, my lord. Because the direction is to pay from the date of complaint, my lord.
This was before her marriage. This order was not before her marriage.
No, this order is after marriage. After marriage, she has filed it, my lord.
After marriage, she has filed.
She has
all
filed
this.
it.
And then she has given evidence also.
No, not evidence, my lord, because in the ex parte proceeding, whatever she has stated in her complaint is taken. Did not prove my income, anything, my lord. So, lordship, kindly see page 26 of that Sukti Patra, my lord. One paragraph, my lord. The second paragraph, my lord, you can see.
Page 26.
Page 26. শ্ৰী ননকী বাস্পৰৰ পুত্ৰ কিষণ বাস্পৰৰ লগত পলাই গৈ বিবাহ কৰে আৰু ইতিমধ্যে ছ'চিয়েল মিডিয়াত ফেচবুকত বিবাহ হোৱা ছবি আপলোড দিয়ে। And this is the photograph, my lord. We came to know about the marriage from this Facebook, page 23.
And this is the agreement
Between the petitioner and the respondent. Page 25, my lord. Vinod Baspor and Bobita Baspor. Actually, there was an FIR lodged. When an FIR was lodged that she got married to somebody and she came up with this agreement, it was some agreement was made that she has abandoned the marriage and she will not claim anything.
Please read the agreement.
My lord.
Item 49. You Palani scan copy. You scan copy Palani.
Yes, your arguments.
Yes.
If can be some one person and other thing, my lord, is some cases regarding a similar matter might take
On 29. On grounds of arrest. This case is on grounds of arrest.
No, my, no grounds of arrest.
Not on
Not in grounds of arrest, my lord.
Because here it is written that is why.
Not in
Is
grounds of
there?
arrest, my lord. Not in grounds of arrest.
It's
Is if you also permit me to, my lord, I just want to draw your lordship's kind attention to para 13, my lord, of my
Para 13.
para 13, my lord. That now it is already 434 days since the date of arrest. and the-
434 days.
434 days, and that the accused petitioner has been behind the bars. And my lord, I have got no any previous criminal antecedents, my lord. I will only make a
13.
para 13, my lord. I will only make point wise, my lord.
Grounds of arrest, no?
No, not in grounds. I am not in grounds of arrest, my lord. I am not in grounds of arrest.
Para
And-
13
Yes, my lord.
of petition, page number 8. Okay.
And my lord,
434 days. Now it will be more, no? That day you have filed the petition
yes,
on.
my,
All right.
and now, my lord, I just want to take a lordship to page 26, my lord, Annex 6. Annex 6.
Okay.
On 4/2/25, my lord, on the last portion, my lord. Cindy bail petition number 375/25, filed on behalf of the accused Hare Krishna Sarkar. Bail petition will be heard on the next day, 18/2/25, for production and evidence. Then on, my lord, 18 to 25, my lord. Last person, my lord. Bail petition will be heard on next day, fixing 4/3/25 for evidence, my lord. Then on 4/3/25, my lord, PW Manus Province is present, land AP was verbally prayed and are ready to examine the present witness. Praise the Lord. Bail petition will be heard on next day. Again, my lord, 18/3/25, my lord. 1/4/25 for evidence and bail hearing, my lord. Then on 1/4, it should have been, my lord, 1/4 instead of 1/5/2025, my lord. Fixing 10/4/25 for evidence on objection and bail petition by the prosecution, my lord. Then, my lord, this bail petition was not heard from 4/2/25. Up to, my lord, your lordship is quite well aware of it, my lord. And, my lord, I would like to take your lordship to page 20 and access 3, my lord. Page 20 and access 3, my lord. Later on.
Yes.
24/4/2025. I'm just reading the this relevant portion, my lord. Premises under section so and so is proceeding for trial, and at this stage, if accused is allowed the privilege of bail, he would tamper with the evidence and pray for rejection thereof. In the backdrop above, I do not find merit in the bail prayer at this stage. Thus, bail petition so and so stands rejected, my lord. There is no question of, my lord, tampering or hampering with the investigation or trial, my lord, because all the witnesses happen to be the, my lord, forensic science officers and the police officials. There is no question of mine to tamper or hamper with the investigation in any manner, my lord.
How many witnesses have been examined?
Not a single witness has been
Not
examined.
a single witness.
Not a single witness has been examined, my lord. And
And how many witnesses are named in the charge sheet?
charge sheet, my lord, there are
What is the contraband?
contraband is, my lord, ganja, my lord.
How many kilos?
25 kilos.
25,
More than 20.
25 kilos, my lord.
So
And
what is the 20 kilos is the intermediate quantity?
20 is the.
How old is the petitioner?
my lord, I am 28 years old, my lord. But the main question, my lord, I am only the brain earning member of my family, my lord. Kindly go, my lord. I will want to take your to lordship to page 21 and accept 4. That is my father, who is 78 years old, my lord. He is always to be taken to the admitted in the hospital every after 15 days. He is on oxygen, my lord, partially on deathbed. And my mother is also ill, my lord. I have to look after.
434 days will be how many? 1 year? How many?
Only
days?
1 year. Only my 365 is 1 year. Then
Yeah.
another 1 year, around 2-3 months.
I can assure lordship, my lord, I will abide by your lordship's any order, any directions, any restrictions that were imposed on me, my lord. If I'll have to go on bail.
Yes, what do you have to say?
Yeah, but perhaps the LCR is not complete, man.
I pray for bail.
Orders of only of the year 24 February, March, like that. Okay. There is one.
You want the orders of which date?
Yes, but it is here, my lord. Charges were framed, my lord. Charges were framed, therefore it is fixed for evidences. Yes.
How many witnesses are named in the charge sheet?
12, my lord.
12 witnesses.
Evidence.
That benchmark is 1 year, 7 months.
Yes,
Not benchmark, informal benchmark.
informal, my lord. And now, my lord, it has
I can assure Lordship, my lord,
Cut off date,
Yes.
1 year, 7
I
months.
can assure Lordship, my lord, I will abide by Lordship's any order, my lord, any directions, any restrictions, any restrictions, my lord.
On ground that his father
Any
is not well,
restrictions,
not
my
a single witness.
I will follow your order.
Rejection.
Any
Again,
action.
that cannot be.
In
Cannot
letter and
be.
in spirit,
Hey,
in letter and in spirit, my
legal.
lord, I can assure this.
Just
You come after 1 month. Come after 1 month.
But my father is ill, my lord, he has to be, your lordship may kindly go and this is the medical documents also have submitted, my lord, he used to be,
Your wife look after your father for 1 month.
my,
Come after 1 month.
my wife is not with me, my lord.
Oh,
My wife is not with me, my
So
lord.
based on the period.
I am the only member of this.
you're married.
I'm married, but my lord, she has left away, my lord, and married to another person.
How many children you have?
Only 2 children, my lord.
Your children are with you?
Yes, my lord.
Your mother?
My mother is also ill, my lord. She's 71 years of age.
But again, this order will be referred in by other councils that your lordship has granted bail in 1 year, 3 months. Again, that will be a problem. Everything is.
He has
Hello?
ailing father.
Yes,
Peculiar facts and circumstances of this
cases,
case.
there is particular circumstances now.
Okay, come next week. Next week. Next week we'll hear
My
you.
father
Yes,
is on
yes.
oxygen, my lord.
Yes, I understand. Next week we'll hear you. We'll dispose it off. Come next week. I'm here on the next week. I'm not in any other court here in the next week.
my-
Okay. Then I'll list it on next week then.
Yes.
List this matter on next week. data deduction. I have heard you. I have written down this thing.
My lord, my lord.
Everything, page number and all next
My,
week.
my, my.
See, he has a ground. You see, his
That-
father is 78 years old
That
with oxygen, and
Yes.
then see his mother, and then the best ground is a PP. Why we should take adjournment when the witness was there? Why did the PP take adjournment?
Yes, so on 3 occasions, my lord, witnesses were present. Not a single witness has been examined, my lord. That is not my fault.
And is the prosecutions, you can get the orders here. Yes, annexed.
Yes.
What business did the PP have to take
My
adjournment
lord, I also submitted, my lord, one
when the
citation.
witnesses were present?
I also
That too in
submitted,
a NDPS case.
I also submitted one citation, my lord. Most probably it is in the file, my lord.
Okay. No, I don't have. No,
What is it? This
you
way.
give it on the next day. List this matter on next day, next week or January Friday.
My lord, my lord.
Second one next week होएगा ना?
My lord,
Did ya next week or did ya?
any date subject to your lordship's convenience.
30 May.
Any date. 30, my lord.
30 May.
My lord. Obliged,
You
my-
be here on 30 May.
My lord.
Wait, please, your lord.
You are on interim there?
No, I'm not in interim, ma'am.
Oh, PM report, murder case?
Not actually, she died, my lord.
Suicide?
She died, my lord. Actually, what happened here in this case, my lord, that she was working with my family for 2 months. After leaving my house, my lord, after 8 months, my lord, she died, and she at the time of death, my lord, she was pregnant. So that's why, my lord, FIR was lodged against me by the third party, not by the family members, my lord. Now, my lord, that's why even, my lord, there is a prayer by the police, my lord.
We'll need a PM report.
Yes, no, that's why I'm submitting. In fact, my lord, police, my lord, and that the investigation officer, my lord, made a prayer before the court that they dig out the dead body to bring to
Exhume the body.
my
yes.
lord. So that actually that was
They will trace out DNA and all this.
my lord. So
And
PM
then they-
report without yes, my lord.
DNA on.
Yes, I am even ready to my lord test for go for DNA test also.
Maybe.
Because only for 2 months that was my because I am a school teacher and they demanded money, my lord. Now and one committee filed a lodge an FIR.
Shorted lordship. PM is postmortem is received without the CD is received without the PM report. Send back the CD. Call for the up-to-date CD along with the PM report. List the matter on. From which thana?
From business. Business, Lord.
Bizni.
My lord.
Arjun.
My lord. Can it be protected in my lord? I'm a teacher, my lord. Deeply.
Murder case.
No, that is not murder. Teacher.
Yes. I'm praying for adjournment, Lordship.
Lordship, already at the time of arrest, I am in custody for almost more than 1.5 years. At the time of arrest,
Only one day. Only one day.
let it be on Tuesday, Monday or Tuesday.
You are praying for on grounds of arrest.
Yes, my lord.
On grounds of arrest.
Yes, that was not
We'll take
supplied.
it up together, all those matters.
No, that is NCB.
Never mind. They will also place the submissions on grounds of arrest. We have clubbed several cases together. On 29, 29th.
Must
Learned Counsel, Mr.
R. Sekhar.
R.
Sekhar.
Sekhar is present for the petitioner.
M.
Miss
Deka.
Learned Counsel, Ms. M. Deka is present on behalf of the Learned Standing Counsel, Mr. S.C. Kea, and has prayed for adjournment. List the matter on 29. Please be ready.
Must.
Google, sir. So Google. Oh.